فهزموهم بإذن الله وقتل داود جالوت وآتاه الله الملك والحكمة وعلمه مما يشاء ولولا دفع الله الناس بعضهم ببعض لفسدت الأرض ولكن الله ذو فضل على العالمين.
Thereupon, by Allah's leave, they put the unbelievers to flight, and David killed Goliath. And Allah granted him dominion and wisdom, and imparted to him the knowledge of whatever He willed. And were it not that Allah repelled some people with another, the earth would surely be overlaid with mischief. But Allah is bounteous to the people of the world, and thus extirpates mischief.
تلك آيات الله نتلوها عليك بالحق وإنك لمن المرسلين.
These are the signs of Allah which we recite to you in truth, for indeed you are one of those entrusted with the message.
تلك الرسل فضلنا بعضهم على بعض منهم من كلم الله ورفع بعضهم درجات وآتينا عيسى ابن مريم البينات وأيدناه بروح القدس ولو شاء الله ما اقتتل الذين من بعدهم من بعد ما جاءتهم البينات ولكن اختلفوا فمنهم من آمن ومنهم من كفر ولو شاء الله ما اقتتلوا ولكن الله يفعل ما يريد.
And these messengers who have been designated to guide people, we have exalted some of them above the others. Among them are such as were spoken to by Allah Himself, and some He exalted in other respects. And we granted Jesus, son of Mary, clear signs and supported Him with the spirit of holiness. Had He willed, those who had seen these clear signs would not have fought one another thereafter. But it was not the will of Allah to prevent people from disagreement by compulsion. Hence they differed among themselves, whereby some attained faith and others denied the truth. Yet had Allah so willed, they would not have fought one another. Allah does whatever He wills.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا أنفقوا مما رزقناكم من قبل أن يأتي يوم لا بيع فيه ولا خلة ولا شفاعة والكافرون هم الظالمون.
O you who believe, spend out of what we have provided you before there comes a day when there will be no buying and selling, nor will friendship and intercession be of any avail. Indeed, those who disbelieve are the wrongdoers.
الله لا إله إلا هو الحي القيوم لا تأخذه سنة ولا نوم له ما في السماوات وما في الأرض من ذا الذي يشفع عنده إلا بإذنه يعلم ما بين أيديهم وما خلفهم ولا يحيطون بشيء من علمه إلا بما شاء وسع كرسيه السماوات والأرض ولا يؤوده حفظهما وهو العلي العظيم.
Allah, the ever-living, the self-subsisting, by whom all subsist. There is no God but He, neither slumber seizes him, nor sleep. To him belongs all that is in the heavens, and all that is in the earth. Who is there who might intercede with him, save with his leave? He knows what lies before them, and what is hidden from them, whereas they cannot attain to anything of his knowledge, save what he wills them to attain. His dominion overspreads the heavens and the earth, and their upholding wearies him not. He is all high, all glorious.